Imagine a courtroom drama, but the key witness has feathers and a beak. This is the incredible true story of a parrot named Bud. In May 2015, Michigan residents Martin and Glenna Durham were a seemingly ordinary couple. Their peaceful life would soon be shattered. Tragedy struck when Martin Durham was found dead from multiple gunshot wounds. His wife Glenna was also found injured, but alive. Investigators arrived, facing a perplexing crime scene. Who would want to harm Martin, and what truly happened in that quiet home? Amidst the tragedy was Bud, Martin's African gray parrot. The bird was present during the shooting and quickly became distressed. Bud began repeating phrases in Martin's voice, mimicking a heated argument. Family members noticed these chilling imitations. Most unsettling were the words, "Don't shoot," followed by a woman's voice saying, "Where's the gun?" and then, "Get out." Martin's parents quickly realized Bud wasn't just repeating random sounds. He was reenacting the final moments of Martin's life. Could a parrot's mimicry be considered evidence in a murder trial? The prosecution considered including Bud's testimony. This unprecedented idea sparked intense legal debate. Lawyers questioned if animal testimony was admissible, citing hearsay rules. The defense argued Bud's sounds were mere mimicry, not conscious statements. They highlighted the lack of scientific basis for such evidence. Despite the controversy, the prosecution believed Bud's phrases provided crucial context. They aimed to use them as corroborating circumstantial evidence. While Bud himself didn't testify on the stand, his chilling repetitions were discussed during the trial, adding to the narrative. The evidence eventually pointed to Glenna Durham, Martin's wife. Financial troubles and a suicide pact gone wrong were revealed. In 2017, Glenna Durham was found guilty of first-degree murder. Bud's testimony wasn't direct evidence, but supported the family's suspicions. After the trial, Bud went to live with Martin's family. He continues to speak, a living echo of a tragic day. The case of Bud, the testifying parrot, remains a fascinating example of how unexpected sources can offer clues, even in the most bizarre circumstances.